southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8 p.m. At 3:58 p.m. Producing heavy rain across the warm area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Allentown, and Allentown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 14 and 19. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 330 and 351. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 60 and 33. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 333 and 346. Turn around, don't drown in it. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.